Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this first problem, which is square root of x plus 2 over square root of x is equal to x minus 4 over x, to find the value of x plus 4 over x. In the first step from this equation, write square root of x plus 2 over square root of x is equals to, in here we can write this x as square root of x to power of 2 and minus, also for this we can write 2 over square root of x to power of 2, right? 2 to power of 2 is 4 and square root of x to power of 2 is x. So in next step it will be square root of x plus 2 over square root of x is equals to, in here this is in the form of difference of 2 square and we can write this as square root of x minus 2 over square root of x and times square root of x plus 2 over square root of x, right? In here, this is in the form of writing here a square minus b square, right? Square root of x square and 2 over square root of x square. And this is equals to a minus b times a plus b. So, in next step in here, we take these two parts to get to this side and it will be, here we have square root of x minus 2 over square root of x and times square root of x plus 2 over square root of x, and we take this to this side and it will be negative this, right? Square root of x plus 2 over square root of x is equals to 0. And in next step, square root of x minus 2 over square root of x, square root of x plus 2 over square root of x is common, so we factor square root of x plus 2 over square root of x. And in here, this divided by this, it will be square root of x minus 2 over square root of x, and this divided by this, it will be negative 1 is equals to 0. So this times this is equals to 0, so in here, square root of x plus 2 over square root of x is equals to 0, or square root of x minus 2 over square root of x minus 1 is equals to 0. So in here, this is positive, right? This is greater than or equal to 0. And in here, this is also positive, but this side is greater than 0, right? So this is positive and this is positive. In here we have 2 over square root of x and this is greater than 0. So this equation cannot be equal to 0. So in here we have no solution. But in here, we take this negative 1 to this side and it will be square root of x minus 2 over square root of x is equals to, this side is equals to 1. And it will be, in next step, we square both sides equation, so it will be square root of x minus 2 over square root of x to power of 2 is equals to 1 to power of 2. And it will be square root of x to power of 2, it will be x and minus 2 times square root of x and times this 2 over square root of x, and this to power of 2, it will be 4 over x, right? And 1 to power of 2 is 1. And from here it will be x minus, in here this will cancel this, and 2 times 2 is 4, and plus 4 over x is equals to 1. And in here we take this negative 4 to this side and it will be x plus 4 over x is equals to, and negative 4 to this side will be positive 4, so 1 plus 4 it will be 5. So we want to find the value of x plus 4 over x, and this is equals to 5. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.